Prices, mortgage rates, and limited inventory sound familiar? If you're in the market for a home, you already know how challenging it can be right now. But what if I told you there's one option that might solve all three of those problems? Today, we're diving into 3 biggie advantages of buying a newly built home and why it could be the smartest move you make in today's housing market. Let's start with options. Did you know that roughly 1 in 5 homes on the market today is new construction? That's a significant bump from previous years. In fact, new builds are more available now than ever before. So if your home search has been frustrating or full of fixer-uppers, it might be time to explore what builders are offering. You could find a brand new place that checks every box without the bidding wars. Next up, pricing. With more new homes hitting the market, builders are feeling the pressure to compete. And guess what? Many are dropping prices or offering incentives to get those homes sold fast. In fact, in July alone, a whopping 38% of builders cut their prices. That's great news for buyers and an opportunity to get into a brand new home for less than you expected. And here's the one that could save you thousands lower mortgage rates. Buyers of newly built homes are often offered rates that are about 0.5% lower than buyers of existing homes. Why? Builders often partner with preferred lenders or offer rate buydowns as an incentive. And in a high interest rate environment like today's, even a small difference in rates can make a huge impact on your monthly payment. So let's recap more options, better prices, and lower mortgage rates. If you've been struggling to find the right home, a new build might just be the perfect fit. Want to explore new construction homes available in and around our area?